Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering off the Samsung M11 and removing the SIM tray so metal parts won't short. This is the quickest safety step. Carefully pry off the back with a plastic spudger along the lower edge, working slowly to release clips. Don't force it. Once done, peel any adhesive and detach battery connector. Cover screws with a small Phillips. Keep screws grouped. Make sure to document screw locations as you go, because reassembly requires exact placement for the frame and ports to align. With the back removed and battery connector unplugged, you now disconnect nearby flex cables so you can lift the USB daughter board safely. Inspect the port under magnification. Look for bent pins, green corrosion, or cracked solder joints. These cause intermittent disconnects. If corrosion exists, clean with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. If pins are bent, gently realign with tweezers. When unsure, test pads and traces with a multimeter to verify continuity. This tells you whether to repair solder joints or replace the board. You now perform the repair. If solder joints are cracked, reflow with a fine-tip soldering iron and a little flux. If the port is damaged, replace the USB daughter board with the matching part. Once the part is seated, reconnect flex cables and battery, then reassemble the back cover, applying new adhesive where needed. Make sure to tighten screws in their original spots. Finally, test charging and data transfer and gently wiggle the cable. If problems persist, try a different cable and power source as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.